There are interior rural villages that still practice open defecation. It is not a healthy and safe practice, but because they do not have the resources to construct toilets, and in some cases, because of their beliefs about keeping toilets in their own premises, they do not take efforts to construct it. It is a huge challenge for women, girl children, and physically challenged people to go for open defecation. They suffer a lot during the rainy season. This time, Uddhar has identified 8 such villages where the need of constructing individual household toilets was very high. We are in this age of information technology, but yet our sisters in rural India are practicing open defecation, made us take this initiative of constructing 200 units of individual household toilets. The task was not easy in this COVID scenario. We were restricted to enter villages for conducting the survey, and it was very difficult for us to convince the people about the benefits of having their own toilet. Construction contractors left the work and made it very difficult for us to complete the target. Our committed team decided not to give up, but to complete the work. We are thankful that we could build a toilet for women like Sarika, who is visually challenged and used to find it very difficult without having her own toilet. She is very happy that she doesn't have to struggle anymore. We are happy that we constructed toilets for farm widows and for the destitute people. A village called Haiti is now 100% open defecation free because of our initiative. We have addressed a very important issue of women's protection by this initiative because open defecation makes them vulnerable. We have provided a toilet facility to the 200 households, which means roughly 1,000 people from the farming community are benefited out of it. We also provided employment opportunities to the rural masons in this time of crisis. We made our initiative comprehensive by giving masonry skill training to the 120 rural women, by giving beautician classes to 60 girls from the same villages, and also by conducting behavioral change training to cultivate the habit of using toilets and maintaining personal hygiene. Thank you for supporting us, encouraging us, and praying for us.